Eddie over at Simple Kustoms by Eddie Papandrea sent me this package. He's a recent survivor of the Silva Challenge. I'm sure you all saw that video. And the Godfather sent this to me. So let's see what's in here. I apologize if my voice is a little messed up. I'm a little stuffed up, getting over a cold. Oh, look, there's my name. Just patting out of the way. Oh, wow. This is packed well. Make sure there's nothing in any of these as I'm throwing them. Let's see. I think these are builds from the challenge. I think he sent, looks like a couple. Oh, looks like something kind of snap. Oh, that's where that goes. I'll just glue that back on there. That's no big deal. Oh, check this out. That is so cool. It tilts, it moves. That is cool. Got to be careful not to get poked with some of these things. There's a danger factor to it. Oh, that is cool, Eddie. I haven't decided. He told me that he was sending one or two. Looks like it might actually be more of these out to do with whatever I wanted. And I know he's doing giveaways on his channel. And the problem with these post-apocalyptic builds is you can kind of see another little thing snapped here, is there's so many small parts to them and the detail. They're tough to ship. They're like really tough to ship. Man, you have tacks on. These are tacks on the outsides of the wheels. This is great, Eddie. This is great. This could be real blood on here. Oh, I don't know why I didn't notice that originally. The skull on the inside when you built it. I didn't see that for some reason. That's screwy that I missed that. That is cool. Let's see, what else do we have in here? I think this is just padding. Yeah. Okay. Let's make sure. I think that's the last one there. Let me make sure there's nothing else hiding in here. Looks like we're good. Okay. Let's see what this last one is. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm stuffed up. This part goes on. It's like a separate bed piece that clips on. Oh, this was a Tonka. Okay, I swear I forget half the time what's in these things when I send them out. And that's trippy. That's pretty cool. So what's going to happen? I haven't quite decided. I know I want to keep at least one of these, and I know I want to give one or two away. And so you'll just have to stay watching the channel. And be sure to leave comments on this video, because I'll probably, if you're interested in getting one of these for your collection, one of Eddie's builds, leave a comment on this video, and in that comment, just add the word Gaslands, Gaslands, to your comment, even if it's a word just by itself. And by putting that word in, I will use that when I go to use the random comment picker to choose a winner or two winners. and I haven't decided yet, and I haven't decided which ones. But other than that, this is all perfectly clear, right? So everybody, thanks for watching the video. Eddie, thank you so much for sending these out to me. This is cool. These are cool. It's cool to see the Silva Challenge builds that someone else has done in person after getting the pictures and stuff. So thanks again for taking the challenge, Eddie. Thanks for sending these out to me. This is so cool. And everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.